Good morning students. Today here we start the chapter number 13, organisms and population. So here that is the first one, organisms and population. So here that is the complex world, that is the world, nature world which is found around us, and it has the different types of the organisms which are found in the environment, and their relations are complex relationship in there. Because of that, so it is very necessary to study here the levels of organization are there. So here that is the levels of organization. In that cell, after that is the macromolecules like carbohydrate, proteins, fat. These are the macromolecules are there. Cell, tissue, organ, system, individual, ecosystem, ecology, and that is the bio. So these are the different levels of organizations are there. म्हणजे संघटनाच्या विविध स्तर आहेत. So here in that ecology means it is the branch of biology which deals with study of biotic and abiotic factors are there. Biotic means that is the living factor and abiotic means that is non-living factor. So here that is the interaction among these such a organism, biotic organism, and also their interaction with environment. म्हणजे जैविक घटकांची स्वतःच्या इतर जैविक घटकांशी असणारी आंतरक्रिया आणि पर्यावरणाशी असणारी आंतरक्रिया, इट इज कॉल्ड एज द इकॉलॉजी. Ecological levels with increasing, and such a ecology term which can be introduced by that is the Haeckel. So was the scientist which can be first time introduced the term that is the ecology. So ecological levels with increasing complexity, म्हणजे ह्या ज्या पर्यावरणाचे जे स्तर आहेत आणि त्याच्यामध्ये वाढत जाणारी गुंतागुंतता कोणती आहे. So here that is there are the three ecological levels with their increasing complexity. So here first one that is the organism. It is the organism. So organisms means that is the such a biotic organism which can be live in a particular area. It is the basic unit of the ecological hierarchy. Basic unit of ecological hierarchy म्हणजे पर्यावरणीय जे क्लासिफिकेशन आहे, वर्गीकरण, त्याच्यातलं बेसिक युनिट आहे दॅट इज द ऑर्गॅनिझम. आफ्टर दॅट पॉप्युलेशन. सो हियर दॅट इज द पॉप्युलेशन. You know that population means that is the group of the organism. Such a group of the organism which can be live in the same geographical area. That is the population means that is the group of the organism living same geographical area. And community means that is the different species. Such a different species in which can be live in the area. This is called as community. Community म्हणजे समाज. The different species which are live in the such a habitat. एका आदिवासामध्ये ज्या वेगवेगळ्या जाती राहतात त्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो community. And bio. So bio it is the large terrestrial, that is the unit is there in that bio. Okay, means large classification unit is there. After that organism and environment around. Means आपल्या आजूबाजूला असणारे ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आहेत आणि पर्यावरण. सो हियर दॅट इज द each organism like plant and animal which can be adapt to the environment, and this adaptation is not only for that is the survival but also multiplication. So adaptation म्हणजे काय, त्या पर्यावरणाशी मिळून जुळून घेण्याची क्षमता. Plant and animal which can be adapted to such an environment, but this adaptation is not for survival. फक्त जगण्यासाठी हे adaptation नाही, for multiplication means to increasing the population. Second one, season. So on the land, so there are the annual, that is the because of variation, annual variation. So there are the different seasons arises on the land. So in that different season, so here that is the some of the snow falling, rainfall, heavy rainfall, then increasing temperature, they affect on the environment, and there are the different seasons which are found. Next one, regional and local variation. So such a variation, regional and local variation in the environment which can causing that is there is the changes in the environment. So here that is such a variation causing they affect on the biotic and abiotic factors are there. After that, habitat. Habitat means it is the space occupied by the organism. that is the physical space occupied by the organism, it is called as the habitat. Habitat म्हणजे त्यांचा अधिवास झाला. So here there are the different habitats which are there, that is the terrestrial habitat, aquatic habitat, arboreal habitat, different habitats are there. Okay. Next one, that is the difference between habitat and niche. आता in मराठी habitat म्हणजे अधिवास आणि niche म्हणजे कोनाडा. कोनाडा म्हणजे काही प्राणी एखाद्या ठिकाणी राहतात एखाद्या विशिष्ट जागेमध्ये, त्याला आपण कोनाडा असं म्हणतो. आणि habitat म्हणजे मोठा अधिवास. So habitat means it is the physical space occupied by the organism. Here the biotic abiotic factors which are found, and niche means there is the functional role of the organism in such a level. So here that is the habit in that habitat. So organisms are survive and adapt, and in the niche not only survive but also transfer of energy flow from one organism to the another organism through the ecosystem. त्यांच्या ऊर्जा जे आहे एका ऑर्गॅनिझम कडून दुसऱ्या ऑर्गॅनिझम कडे पाठवली जाते त्या पर्यावरणातून. Such a habitat contain numerous niche. Habitat मध्ये अनेक कोनवाडे येतात, but niche does not contain any component. So habitat is not species specific. Habitat मध्ये कोणीही राहू शकतं, कुठच्याही प्रकारचे प्राणी, परंतु niche is the species specific. niche मध्ये एकाच प्रकारची जात राहू शकते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, that is the different birds which are live in habitat, but only the single type of the bird live in single niche because their feeding habitat which are different. बघा, एका अधिवासामध्ये ग्रासलँड आहे, it is the habitat, अधिवास आहे. So there are the many birds are there in the grass, but some birds make the different flocks of their, that is the member. काही पक्षी हे आपापल्या जातीचे ग्रुप तयार करतील आणि तसे राहतील. हे का करतील? बिकॉज ऑफ द फीडिंग, बिकॉज ऑफ द इटिंग हॅबिटेट्स ऑफ ईच ऑफ द बर्ड, म्हणजे different species of the bird, these are different. That's why their niche is different. Okay, means niche do not contain many species, it contain only one species is there here. Okay, so this is the difference between habitat and niche is there. After that, that is the definition of habitat. So habitat we study, that is the habitat means it is the space occupied by the organism. Okay, particular physical space is there. And so here that is the types of habitat. Types of habitat means there are the terrestrial habitat, aquatic habitat, arboreal म्हणजे jumping करणारे जे animals आहेत, for example monkeys, they are arboreal habitat. Next one, that is the aerial habitat, like birds are there. Terrestrial habitat, different quadrupedal terrestrial animals which are found on the land. Microhabitat means that is the here immediate surrounding to that of the area of the such animal, it is called as microhabitat. म्हणजे तो प्राणी राहत असताना त्याच्या तेवढाच बाजूचा जरासा एरिया, त्याला म्हणायचं मायक्रो, मीन्स व्हेरी स्मॉल हॅबिटॅट. डेफिनेशन ऑफ द niche. So niche means that is the functional role played by the organism in the environment. So here transfer of energy flow takes place. So in that niche, types of niche. So here that is the and Granier was the scientist who first time discovered the term niche. Spatial niche. Spatial means physical space occupied by the organism. It is called as spatial. Spatial means space. Trophic niche. Trophic means level of organism in the food chain. अन्न साखळीमध्ये त्या प्राण्याचा स्तर कुठे आहे हे सांगणं म्हणजे that is the trophic niche. Trophic means that is the level of the such organism. Next one, multidimensional or hypervolume niche. Here the many biotic as well as abiotic factors which are involved in the multidimensional. Many factors which are involved, as well as hypervolume means it is related to the space. Next one, fundamental and realized niche. Some of the species show fundamental and realized niche. Fundamental in that niche, ह्या कोनवाड्यामध्ये. So here that is the in that fundamental niche, that is the no any competitors are found. या कोनवाड्यामध्ये एकमेकांचे स्पर्धक नसतात. Okay, it is the fundamental niche. And realized niche, here the many competitors which are found, स्पर्धक असतात त्याच niche मध्ये, म्हणजे त्याच जातीमध्ये. It is called as realistic niche or realized niche. Okay, so here we study up to the, that is the types of niche. Next part we will study in the next lecture.